This is a no BS video, so I won't be giving you my life story nor mention strategies that only worked in 2020. All you need to know is that I cut out as much as I legitimately can so you can get a job as fast as possible. You don't want to cold start the Odin project, so start with FreeCodeCamp. Complete just enough HTML and CSS to begin JavaScript, and then grind through until DOM manipulation. Then quit FreeCodeCamp or be damned to tutorial hell. And with a warm start, you can now do the Odin project. You can do the entire thing. It's completely worth it. And then that's actually just it for learning. Go ahead and buy access to ChatGPT, not sponsored. This is your new mentor. Treat it like one. Don't ever let it write code for you, but let it give you advice and guidance like a true mentor. You want to go ahead and block out the wider dev community since it's really helpful for new developers and will only increase your anxiety and slow you down. You now need a pedestal project, something to lead with for your job. Some recommendations are a portfolio site, building a website that solves a real issue, or even build whatever you want. It doesn't actually matter. As long as you build it and you enjoy it and you put effort into it, that's completely fine. If you get stuck on something, use GPT to preserve momentum or find a workaround. From this point in the video, factors are going to come down to luck, timing, etc. That's because the best way to learn and improve as a web developer from this point is to be on the job, getting paid. You'll want to start networking, applying, and looking for jobs aggressively. And if you need a guide for that, there's a link in the description. But you're going to want to expect unpaid or predatory job positions. As long as it's not outright exploitative, I'd say just go for it. The market is way too brutal right now to try and be selective. If you land a bad job like an unpaid internship, you owe them zero loyalty. Continue aggressively job searching, leading with working at this position until you find a good job, and if you can, settle down and stay there for 2 to 3 years. Even if you don't end up finding a good job in 2 to 3 years, you'll be solidly mid-level as a developer, and as long as you've been proactive at work, getting a good high salary position will be a lot easier. If you land a solid mid-level position as a developer, technically you are done. You can slowly improve in your office, do whatever you want, go at your own pace. If you want to push and be more aggressive, complete full stack open, use AI to mentor you even further, and continue to job hop aggressively. That's literally it. If this helped you, just let me know in the comments.